Ladies and gentlemen, marketing wizards and AI enthusiasts, welcome to the future. A world where robots do the heavy lifting, the coffee runs itself, and AI tools have your back 24 by 7. 2025 is here, and if you are still using a pen and paper to write your blog post, well, let's just say we have a lot to talk about. In today's video, we are diving into the most trusted AI tools for marketing in 2025. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you will be ready to ditch your old methods and unleash your inner AI overload. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be amazed. First up, let's talk about Jasper AI. Picture this. You're at your desk, staring at a blank screen, feeling the panic rise as your deadline looms. You need to create a blog post, a social media caption, or some ad copy. But inspiration, it's on vacation. What do? You call in the big guns, of course, enter Jasper AI, your new best friend. With Jasper, you can generate blog posts, social media captions, ad copy, and more. Faster than you can say SEO optimization, it's like having a team of writers working 24 by 7, minus the coffee breaks. The best part. It's like having a caffeinated assistant who actually read all those blog posts and knows exactly how to word things like the best pizza in town without making you sound like a robot who has never had pizza. That's the beauty of Jasper. Now, let's move on to HubSpot AI. Imagine you are running a business, juggling hundreds of leads and trying to remember who clicked on your last email. It's like trying to keep track of your friends at a music festival. Impossible, right? But HubSpot AI steps in like a CRM superhero, swooping in to automate lead scoring, segment customers, and even handle your email marketing. Basically, it's like your marketing assistant who never forgot a thing. You can now spend more time dreaming up new marketing strategies rather than scratching your head over who is interested in your product. No more who click, just how can we make this better? Next up, we have got Drift, the AI tool that let you send personalized video messages to your leads. Yes, video messages. I know it sounds like magic, like you have finally got a personal videographer at your disposal. Let's say you are trying to engage with a customer and make them feel special. With Drift, you can record personalized videos that look like they were made just for them. I mean, how cool is that? It's like you are staring in your own show and the audience is just you and your customer. Light, camera, conversion. Now, let's talk about something that may sound simple but is a total game changer. Otter AI. You have had those meetings, right? The ones where you're writing notes but your hand can't keep up with the ideas being thrown around. You're looking at your notes later and it's like reading ancient hieroglyphs. What even is that word? Otter AI is the transcription genius that takes all that stress away. It transcribes meetings in real time and gives you accurate notes and summaries. It's like having a personal scribe at every meeting, only without the feather quill and parchment. Imagine all that time saved and no more frantic attempts at deciphering your own handwriting. Otter got you covered. Now, let's talk about Upgrow. Now, if you have ever tried to grow your Instagram following, you know it's not easy. It's like a popularity contest where the winners have mastered algorithm and know how to play the game. Well, with Upgrow AI powered service, you can tailor your growth strategy using specific filters to target the right audience. It's like having a secret weapon to boost your Instagram game. You can grow your followers organically without relying on shady bots or weird tactics. Okay, let's take a moment to appreciate the genius that is Grammarly. How many times have you hit send on an email or posted a social media caption only to realize you have missed a comma or used the wrong they are? Grammarly is a grammar wizard we all need but don't deserve. It checks for tone, style, and of course grammar. It's like having a personal editor who is always making sure your content is professional and polished. So, unless you are writing in internet speak, Grammarly got your back, helping you sound like that marketing pro you were always meant to be. Seventh is Canva. Designers, prepare to rejoice. Here comes Canva with the magic write tool, creating engaging social media posts and marketing materials is easier than ever. Forget about spending hours on design programs that make you feel like you need a degree in graphic design. Canva's AI tools let you whip up eye-catching posts in seconds. Perfect for when you need a quick social media post but don't want to sacrifice quality. You just type in what you want and Canva does the rest. It's like your personal design assistant who is also a wizard with fonts and images. Alright, buckle up because it's time for SEMrush, the all-in-one marketing toolkit that will make your SEO dreams come true. Imagine having a toolkit that gives you insight into SEO, PPC, and content marketing all in one place. Sounds like a marketing dream, right? With SEMrush, you can track keywords, analyze your competition, and even check out backlinks. It's like having a superhero that lets you see all the marketing strategies working behind the scene. Your website's performance will never be the same again. Let's talk Phrase, the AI that takes the stress out of writing catchy email subject lines and ad copy. How many times have you agonized over the perfect email subject line, only to end up with something that sounds like it was written by a robot? With Phrase, that's a thing of the past. It uses AI to generate marketing copy that's not only catchy but effective. You will have those subject lines and ad copy written in minutes, and your open rates will thank you later. And finally, we have MarketMuse, an AI tools that will all about content optimization. If you want your content to rank high on Google, and let's face it, who doesn't? MarketMuse is your new best friend. It helps you plan and optimize your content to make sure it's SEO friendly. It's like having a content strategist who is also a search engine guru, so you can stop worrying about whether or not your blog post will rank. MarketMuse has your back. And there you have it, folks. These are the AI tools that will make 2025 the year you stop stressing over marketing tasks and start leveraging technology to work smarter, not harder. Whether you need to grow your Instagram, write a killer blog post, or improve your email marketing, there is an AI tool for that. So, are you ready to embrace the future? I know I am. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite AI tool, or if you have any AI powered marketing secrets you want to share. Until next time, happy marketing.